Hi, good morning. It's winter here in England, and I'll try to show you what I've built for myself for motorcycling. I tried to build a personal heating system that would run from a motorcycle battery while you're riding. I've used what I've used. I'll show you. This is a normal thermal well that you would get for 15 to 20 pounds here in UK. This was bought from India. As you can see, there is this cable stitched across, as you can see there. It's a 30 AWG American wire gauge cable, copper but silver coated, and with Teflon coating, which makes it safe to use close to your body. You can see that cable going all the way. These are JST connectors. You could get them for quite cheap on eBay. And then it's stitched all the way through the trouser, the thermal trouser. See there? As you can see here, there are two plugs. There's one here which goes straight to the controller in the motorcycle, and there's other one here that connects to the jacket so that it completes the whole circuit, and then the other open end goes to the motorcycle battery. I'll show you the equipment that I've built to make it work properly as we should. Now, while you're watching, you might think that why have I used such a little wire? Why not, rounds and rounds of it and get more heat out of it? The problem is the motorcycle battery is not a powerhouse. It has limited power to maintain this the lamps and all that, as well as give you enough heat to heat yourself. Also, there's extra power available from the motorcycle coil while it's running, which makes it good, like enough heat to be comfortable, on winter days. So yeah, here we are, and as you can see once more, that is a JST connector, cheap on eBay. Oops. Don't know why I'm doing this. Yeah, securely fit. Okay, this small piece of cable here is the most important part of the whole construction. The reason being, it connects this custom built suit from your body onto the power source on your motorcycle. You will have to custom build this. These things are not available. This is a JST connector, goes to a twin cable. I think it's 5 amps capacity cable I bought from Halfords, which is used throughout the whole construction. And this is the male weather pack plug. Later in the video you'll see the female side of this, where you can plug this thing in. This gets attached like here. Sorry. Yeah, so that goes like that. That gets connected here like that. This will go in the female side of the connector that comes out from the motorcycle. Now, you don't want to let this hang like that. Although there's secure fits here, these things, which I pulled out from. Well, you need to design your own, but this was quite tough to source these two things. What I normally do is I put a portion of the cable like that while I'm wearing it, so that it kind of creates a snug fit here, not permanent, but like snug fit here, and then this comes out from my shirt and then goes into the female side of the connector. I'll show you how to connect the rest of things. Hold on. Right, the female cable comes out from here, from the underneath the seat, as you see, like that. That gets connected to the like that. See, this is actually a lock which I've broken. I'll explain to you later in the video. So you can just pull it off like that, or you pull it back in like that. This is a weather pack connector. I bought it from eBay. Yeah, and then the rest of the cable then goes into the garment, as I showed you earlier in the video. And so okay, now I'm gonna show you how the controller is actually fitted in the tools compartment below the seat. So we will open the seat now. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so now as you can see, that is our controller. That box doesn't belong to the controller. The box belongs to something else. But as you can see, these holes here, and you can see the steel behind it, that is actually a controller that I bought from Abletronics. You can go to www.abletronics.co.uk and you can find all kinds of controllers there. That switch is a rocker switch I bought from Maplin. If you are in US, you might go to Radio Shack to buy one. Then we have power going into the controller here, and you can see this is a Hella type plug. It goes into the Hella type female plug, goes into the 10 amp fuse. You can see the red wire coming back here to positive terminal of the battery, and the black one, that's the negative, that goes from there and comes here, gets on the negative terminal of the battery. Right, the output from the controller comes out from here. This is a very nice plug. It's a weatherproof plug from Weather Pack. It says Delphi on it, but on eBay it's sold by the name of Weather Pack. Yeah, so eBay and you'll get what I'm talking about. As you can see here, this lock on the plug is broken by me on purpose. What happens is, if you have lock, then while you're riding and something goes wrong, this plug won't come off and the bike will drag you wherever it goes. So if you've broken that lock, so what happens is the plug stays in its place as far as it's not pulled. As soon as there is a force, it will come off. It is a kind of safety that you should consider if you are building what I have built here. Yeah, we might think like, if the tools compartment is being used for the controller, where will the tools go? Well, you'll have to make some compromise here. You can use this extra space here for smaller tools. You can build a small, maybe ask your wife or girlfriend to stitch a small bag for you, and you can put those tools here. The screwdrivers or any other pens can go somewhere here. You might want to buy the two-sided Velcro strip, and you can use that to store. I mean, you need to make some compromises here to fit your needs. Yeah, now I'll show you when I switch the controller on. You can see the color changing on there. Yeah, there's on, off, on, off. Right, the reason of choosing, always choose some good kind of connection rather than, choose a good one. I mean,